How to fix suspended TikTok account. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up TikTok. Log into your account. Once logged in, simply tap on the profile icon right over here. And now tap on this three-line icon. Now select Settings and Privacy. Inside here, scroll down and then simply tap on Help Center. Now select Safety Center. Scroll below and then simply tap on Community Guidelines. Now, read the rules carefully and make sure you did not violate any TikTok policies. This helps you understand why your TikTok was suspended. Now go back and open up your inbox. TikTok will usually send a message saying your account is banned or suspended. Tap on Appeal and follow the on-screen instruction to submit your appeal. Once you submit your appeal, TikTok will review your account, and if everything is fine, your account may be restored. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.